Hey guys, welcome back to One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to claim your website on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, you just simply have to open any of the browser into your computer. Then after that, open Pinterest site into the browser. Then after that, go to the setting of your business account. And after that, go to the setting of your business Pinterest account, and then you will get the option of claim the account into the left side. Just simply tap into claim the account, and now you will get the option to claim your website. Just simply tap into claim your website and then choose the option to claim the website. I'm choosing this upload HTML file option and then click to continue. Now you just simply have to enter the link of your website into this box, then click to verify. And then if you have entered your own real website, then it will verify your request. By following these very easy steps, you can easily verify or claim your website on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.